Having persistent cough and the common cold can be quite discomforting. You find it difficult to focus, and your constant coughing can be a great put-off for those around you at the time. This ailment can really make it difficult for you to sleep at night. It is even much more prominent in kids, as their immunity is not strong enough to effectively combat the virus that causes common cold. Conventional medicine has produced cough syrups to ease the discomfort associated with the common cold, but these too often have side effects that, if prolonged, can cause more harm than anticipated. Some of the side effects of these cough syrup include an increased heart rate, headaches and migraines, as well as drowsiness. Natural remedies for the treatment of coughs include raw natural honey, which is known to be very potent. You can make a honey wrap used in treating coughs in the following way. Ingredients: raw natural honey, napkin, flour, olive oil, gauze, adhesive tape. Directions: get a mixture of flour and honey. You then add some olive oil to the mix and add some more flour. You then out the mixture on a napkin, and you then wrap it using a gauze. Use an adhesive tape to attach the wrap on your back or chest. If you are dealing with kids, then it is advisable that you leave the wrap on them for about 3 hours prior to bedtime. But adults are required to keep the wrap on overnight. They should know that the wrap will make them perspire a lot. While there are no side effects from using this wrap, it is advisable that you exercise caution when it comes to children to avoid skin injuries. Rachel Lim used silver foil wrap for her child with great results. She used coconut oil in place of olive oil. She also added to the honey and flour mix ginger juice. According to Lim, as stated in her Facebook post, she said her baby would start coughing about 2 to 3 hours after he had slept. She said she put the wrap on her child and she left it on her child for 4 hours. In that time, according to Lim, the baby had stopped crying and whining. There was no phlegm or basal congestion. Her baby apparently had been relieved from the apparent discomfort. The natural healing properties of ginger and honey has been in use by non-conventional medical practitioners for ages. Now you can tap into this wealth of knowledge and provide meaningful relief to yourself and children. Please like and subscribe the video if you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.